Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. It's Dovey here, and today we're talking about something super cute, the little things girls do that guys secretly melt over. Now, you might think guys only care about looks or confidence, but nope. It's often the tiny, unexpected things that make their hearts skip a beat. And the best part? Most girls don't even realize they're doing them. So let's get into it. Here are the cutest things girls do that guys absolutely love. 1. When you get excited over something small. You know that little happy dance you do when you get good food? Or when you randomly get excited over your favorite song playing? Guys love that. That pure, unfiltered happiness is contagious. It makes you look adorable and full of life. Seeing you excited over small things makes them want to make you happy even more. So whether you're talking about your comfort TV show, ranting about your favorite book, or fangirling over something silly, just be yourself. Guys secretly find it adorable. 2. When you absent-mindedly fix his clothes or hair. This one is a major heart melter. You know those moments when you casually fix the collar of his shirt, smooth out his sweater, or run your fingers through his hair without thinking? Yeah, he notices. It's such a sweet, intimate thing, and it shows that you care without saying a word. Plus, it makes him feel like yours, like he's someone special to you. 3. When you scrunch your nose or pout without realizing. This is one of those things girls do naturally that makes guys' hearts explode. When you're confused and scrunch your nose a little. When you pout because something doesn't go your way. When you react with those tiny expressions that make you look so cute. It's those small, unintentional movements that make you seem effortlessly adorable. And the best part? You don't even know you're doing it. 4. When you wear his clothes and look extra cozy. Listen, there is nothing cuter to a guy than seeing you wearing his hoodie, jacket, or t-shirt. 4. It's not just the fact that you look small and cute in oversized clothes. It's the fact that his stuff is on you. It's like marking his territory, but in the softest, most loving way possible. Bonus points? If you hug yourself in his hoodie because it smells like him. That's a next-level heart attack moment for him. 5. When you hold onto his arm or shirt in public. Girls, if you've ever lightly grabbed onto a guy's arm, held onto the sleeve of his shirt, or gently tugged on his hoodie while walking, congratulations, you just made his heart race. It's such a small thing, but it makes him feel protective, needed, and low-key obsessed with you. Even something as simple as grabbing his hand when crossing the street or lightly resting your fingers on his wrist while talking drives guys crazy in the best way. 6. When you make random, playful faces at him. A little wink, a silly pout, sticking out your tongue in a teasing way. These tiny, playful moments make guys melt. It's fun, flirty, and makes you feel easygoing and comfortable around him. Guys love a girl who doesn't take herself too seriously. If you've ever stared at a guy, made a funny face, and then turned away giggling, you probably just made his entire week. 7. When you get shy and look away. This is one of those effortless, natural things that make guys weak. If a guy catches you looking at him and you quickly look away and smile or get flustered, trust me, he's already thinking about you nonstop. There's something about that innocent, shy reaction that makes you seem extra sweet and adorable. It's like a soft little reminder that you're interested, but a little nervous, which makes it even cuter. 8. When you text him first and it's something randomly cute. Guys might seem like they love the chase, but low-key, they love when you text them first. Especially when it's something cute and unexpected. Like, I just saw a dog that reminded me of you. IDKY, but it did. I hope your day is going great, but Tavu, I just ate the best ice cream and now I'm happy. Sending a cute selfie and saying, just thought you needed this in your life. It's small, but it makes him feel wanted, which is honestly one of the best feelings. So girls, if you ever feel like guys only notice the big things, think again. It's actually the tiny, unintentional, effortless things you do that drive them crazy in the best way. And guys, be honest, which one of these makes your heart melt the most? Drop it in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. See you in the next one.